Have you tried the Maniology Stamping Starter Kit, Wild Hearts? Well, we are going to check that out today, but before we get too far into it, this is JILLIES Nails. I am a Maniology affiliate, and my code is JILLIE10 if you would like to use it. Love these plates. I think they have so many fun designs on them that you could even actually pull parts of them off and have little summer manicures out of them. Lots of stuff. The kits also come with a stamper and a scraper. I've had these for a while, so boxes are long gone. I just got inspired recently to check them out again, so I wanted to kind of play and see what I thought. Now I am going to go in with this peachy kind of color and put that down as a base on all of my nails. I'm kind of recreating a little bit the photo that you see in all the ads where they have the free boxes. So you'll kind of get an idea of what that's like. I do believe I ended up using 2 coats of this. It did come out streaky on the nail. However, I have used this to stamp before and did not find it to be streaky. So it could just be, you know, in a large application like that, because I got some big old fingers, that it got a little streaky. So I did 2 coats. And now we're going to grab the color teardrop to get the kind of teardrop shape off of here, and we're going to apply that to the pinky. Now with an ice cube stamper, less is more, so you just need to barely press on the stamping plate to get that to pick up. If you mash this stamper, it will not work. So you have to be incredibly gentle. Just think little peck on the cheek, gentle, okay? See, and I stuck my fingers together. Like, how many times have I done that in the last month? Good grief. Anyway, I'm so sorry I forgot to film this one, but what I did was that image was a little too small for that nail, and I didn't notice it until after I got it on there. So I went back in and just took my nail and turned it across the bottom of the nail polish brush and made a little French tip on it. See, that's how you fix mistakes, people. Mistakes happen. Gotta hide them. I do love the macrame designs that are in here, so I definitely wanted to incorporate that. And there was a June Mani by Me, but not June. There's a Mani by Me box. I keep thinking it's June. It's not the June one. I think it was from March that had a lot of cattle and stuff and cacti. It also had some really pretty macrame designs on there. If those are your style, you can check them out over there. I'm kind of grabbing this last little floral one. I really like the kind of Moroccan Middle Eastern feel to this, but that it also has twists where you could pull it out and take that away from it. So it's really cute, very neat design. I think this one was put together much better than the Rebel Yell box, which I also recently reviewed, and I'll put that in the cards for you here in a second. So you can check that one out if you want to, or actually I'll put it at the end of the video, so you can just click at the end of the video and check that out. Now I am going to go through and put a top coat on all of these nails. It is very important that you make sure you float the polish and the brush does not actually run through the polish. If you run it through, it will smear. And I smeared my middle finger a little bit. It was very irritating. So make sure you float. You don't actually want your brush to touch your nail. It should just be your brush moving the polish along your nail. However, when you do that, also be very careful because you can get lots of bubbles that way. I thought it came out great. Again, I really liked how this one was put together versus the Rebel Yell. So if you're very new to stamping, you might check this one out first. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this one and if you've used different color combos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.